Woodpeckers machine shop is now running production on the fat head hook rules, and manufacturing starts on the aluminum end stops at a CNC mill with the help of our state-of-the-art American-made robot. The robot begins the cycle by loading a solid block of aluminum into the machine for milling on the first side. In the second operation, the robot flips the part over for milling on the opposite side. The finished part is then cleaned off and placed on a rack for further human inspection. The aluminum hook stops are anodized with Woodpeckers red, then laser engraved. Now onto the rules. Starting with a big sheet of stainless steel, the rules are cut out with a high-powered laser. Next, the edges of the rough cut rules are precision milled on a CNC mill. The freshly milled rules are inspected with a state-of-the-art video optic measuring system to ensure accuracy. After the stainless steel blades are cut, milled, inspected, and finished, they make their way to the laser engraver for scale markings. It takes about 5 minutes to fully engrave one side of the 18-inch rule, shown here in 10 seconds. We're still working on the fathead hook rules, and shipping will begin soon, so stay tuned for more production updates on other tools making their way through the shop.